verdict may be. Please do not have any outburst. All right? They should be in here momentarily.
All rise.
All right, please be seated. I see that juror number 6 has the paperwork which indicates that you are the foreperson. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Have you reached your verdict?
Yes, sir.
Would you please stand and read your verdict?
You want me to start with the first one?
Count one, yes.
All right, count one. On the aggravated rape, we done not guilty. And we charged him guilty with guilty of aggravated sexual battery.
All right.
And on count two, we charged him guilty of aggravated rape. Count three, we got him not guilty of aggravated rape, but we charged him guilty of attempted aggravated rape. On count four, we charged him not guilty of aggravated rape. We charged him guilty of attempted aggravated rape. On count five, we charged him not guilty of aggravated rape, but we charged him guilty of facilitation of aggravated rape.
All right.
On count six, we charged him guilty of aggravated sexual battery. And on count seven, he's guilty of aggravated sexual battery.
And is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
All right, you may be seated. I'm going to ask each of you the same question, starting with juror number 7. Is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
All right, juror number 14, is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
Number 13, is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
Number 12, is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
Number 11, is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
Number 9, is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
Number 8, is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
Number 1, is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
Number 2, is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
Number 3, is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
And number 5, is that your considered verdict?
Yes, sir.
All right. I want to thank all of you. I do want to speak with you very briefly, but I want to thank you for your service here. Thank you very much. You are, well, let me ask the attorneys, anything from either side?
No.
All right. Thank you. You are excused. I will see you momentarily. All right?
All rise.
All right, Mr. Batey. Jury having found you guilty in count 1 of aggravated sexual battery, count 2, aggravated rape, count 3, attempted aggravated rape. Count 4, attempted aggravated rape. Count 5, facilitation of aggravated rape. Count 6, aggravated sexual battery. And count 7, aggravated sexual battery. Since count 2 is a Class A felony, I am required to revoke your bond and place you into custody until the sentencing hearing, which will be, Madam Clerk?
May 13th.
All right.
Fortunately, I'm going to be out of the country on May 13th.
How about the next Friday, May 20th?
Close, I'm not sure. I don't have my calendar right here. We'll be gone for 2 weeks, starting, I think, the 5th of May, something.
Starting what?
The 5th, I think it is.
You'll be back on 19th then.
Yeah, I think so.
We'll set it for the 20th, and then if you get back and it's different on your calendars, email me.
Thank you.
Okay, well, that's it. Have a good evening, folks.
We'll be in adjournment to 9 a.m.
All right, there you have it, folks. As we wrap things up, you've sat through it and you've seen it to the very end. Guilty verdicts coming down. They